Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today is a short video, but one that I find is important because of my experience today with GoPro. And that is if you buy a GoPro camera or an accessory on their website, you want to make sure to save your receipt. So I have the Hero 9. I have the subscription I pay every month. One, to get discount on accessories, but two, to help if something goes wrong with the camera. So I called support because my camera was turning on automatically. And so when it came time to then say, okay, can you upload your receipt? I had said, wait a second, receipt? Well, couldn't you pull that up with my email address or phone number? And apparently they couldn't. And then I even went on the website here by my account, and if you click on that, it's got the account, media library, my profile, my subscription, my devices, and sign out. So apparently you can't even get your orders that you've placed in your account on their website, which makes no sense. So one, GoPro, if you're watching this, please leave any comments. How do you pull up orders on the website if you by chance lost that email, or if somebody else may know? But I really don't understand this. It doesn't make any sense. I was fortunate I was able to pull up my order number and gave it to them, and then they could see everything I ordered. So it really doesn't make sense that support couldn't pull it up and I can't pull it up. And so you may be out of luck where you have to really kind of prove what you have. And even when I mentioned I had the subscription, it was like a struggle even for that to be pulled up as well. So there you go. If you have the receipt, at least you have backup, but hopefully GoPro will correct this over time, or maybe there's another way. And please leave any comments below if you've been able to pull up your orders on the website or somewhere else, because I would love to know. So that's it. As I mentioned, short video, and hope this is of help. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.